Hi, I'm Xavier. To commemorate the warmer days, we're gonna make no-sew bunnies. Let's get started. For this craft, you'll need a sock, preferably a clean one. You'll need a bag of rice or grain, whichever you're not eating. Next, you'll need a set of scissors, some twine, and your ribbons of choice. To begin, go ahead and fill your sock with your choice grains. A second set of hands will be helpful here. For a chubbier rabbit, fill it up with more grain. Our next step is to tie off our sock in two areas, one towards the open end of the sock and one towards the middle. Next, you're going to trim the lengths of your bunny's ears. For floppier ears, cut towards the open end of the sock. For shorter ears, cut towards the body of your bunny. Next, you're going to shape your bunny's ears by cutting towards the middle of the ears. You can't mess this stuff up because all bunny ears are beautiful. Finally, you're going to visualize how you'd like to decorate your bunny. For me, I like a simple bunny. Nothing says springtime like a green ribbon. You can also add features like eyes, a nose. The possibilities are absolutely endless. Now that you know how to make your own no-sew bunny, go ahead and make a companion. Take care!